This is FCA 416, elements of support. A, shelter, food, medical, health insurance expenses of confinement or expenses of confinement, educational expenses, funeral expenses. That may be on the question because it's something kind of weird. It's like out there, funeral expenses too. Okay, B, these are the elements of support that can be received, all of those things I just mentioned. Okay, court may order party to purchase, maintain, or assign accident insurance or insurance on life of either party irrevocable, irrevocable beneficiaries. That was a tough word. During period fixed by court. Okay. Right. So what they're saying is that they may say that that person that's the petition is brought against, that they need to get life insurance or accident insurance and have that person covered under that. Right. Okay. So obligation ceases upon termination of such party's duty to provide support. So when that party's duty to provide support comes to an end and they're no longer responsible, they don't have to have that coverage anymore. That obligation ceases upon termination. Okay. C, put on health insurance plus timely payments of any. They can't just get the health insurance and then not fucking pay for it, right? Plus timely payments of any health insurance claims. D, health insurance benefits, medical, dental, optical, and prescription drugs and health care services or other health care benefits. There's more than this. I could not fit it on the card, which is why sometimes I'm not holding up the card because I got this shit jam-packed. So go look up the rest of that list. Okay, 2. Available, so pretty this house. Look at all the flowers. Available health insurance that are reasonable in cost. So they're not just like, okay, you got to get like the best health insurance, that are reasonable in cost, okay? And that are reasonably accessible to the person on whose behalf the petition is brought. So who the petition is against, okay? Health insurance benefits that are not reasonable in cost, they're not reasonable in cost, or whose services are not reasonably accessible to such person shall be considered unavailable. Okay, so they're like, you got to get this in health insurance. You got to cover the person that's under your support, you know, but we're not going to make you get like the most expensive. It has to be reasonable in cost and it has to be accessible. Okay, and you got to make the timely payments. Done deal. Okay, that's elements of support 416. I don't know if I don't know if you can read this, but that's why sometimes I don't hold up the cards because I'm like, I could barely read my own freaking handwriting. All right, let's go. Thank you.